How you doing, folks? Jeff, December the 1st, 2022. Just to let you know something, a lot of you are on the Facebook page Rvdiagnostics and Troubleshooting, and you're trying to get help, and you're learning how to edit your post and put the fix on. And this will help other members, and them other members might be you one day. But here's the other thing is, I'm still kind of understanding that some of you don't like YouTube, but I'm going to ask you, just join the Rvdiagnostic YouTube channel. Don't join no other one. I understand you got these feelings about the YouTube and the Facebook and the web, and everything can be used for good and evil, okay? You got to remember, Cain killed Abel with a rock. What are we going to do, outlaw all rocks? Anyway, that's a political view. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, but I did. So, please, folks, members of Rvdiagnostics and Troubleshooting Facebook page, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. One, I'm giving away $400 cash and tools. Cash or tools. Cash or tools. Your choice, $400 cash or tools to one member that subscribes to the YouTube channel. And then I'm giving away, I keep raising this number, I'm going to give away 4 memberships. That's $112 value each to 4 lucky members. They get a free year of Rvdiagnostics Troubleshooting website. That's where I do one-on-one with you right here through the video, through the link. Watching you work on your own RV, heck, even your car. I've helped some people with their cars and their trucks. All right, so there we go. I don't know what it's going to take to get you to do it, folks. That's almost $1,000 out of my pocket. Okay, so come on now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel Rvdiagnostics. Hope to see you there.